So here is how to link Teespring to Instagram. It's quite easy and simple. Make sure watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. Basically, Teespring is a social commerce platform that allows people to create and sell custom products. The company was founded in 2011. Teespring is a free platform that lets you create and sell over 50 kinds of products. So first open your Chrome browser and type in search bar Teespring. After this, click on this first option. After this, click on the option store. Then scroll down, tap Social Profiles, and click on Add a Social Profiles. And click on this Select Profiles and tap to Option Instagram and copy here the URL of your professional Instagram account. So for adding the link of your account, click this option Add. So here you can see Instagram is connected to Teespring. So you can click this link and see your Instagram account. From this link, your account can open easily. You can see Instagram can open easily from link. Thank you for watching.